Up next on Sci-Fi Antasy, how to register and enter for the MOTY contest. Hey everybody, it's Kenny Conklin from SciFiAntasy.com and welcome to another Modelers Tube video. You just saw a video on bringing back the MOTY contest. Yes, we're bringing it back. But this video is going to show you how to register on the site and how to enter the contest. I know some people going to a new site get a little flustered and not sure of how to do things. So we're not going to ramble on in the beginning here. I'm just going to take you right over to the site and I'm going to show you exactly what you have to do to register on the site, or if you're already registered, how to enter the contest. So let's get over to the video. So the first thing you're going to have to do if you're not already a member is you're going to have to register on the site. You're just going to come over here to SciFiAntasy.com and then you're going to click on the button Join the Community. This is the page that's going to come up. You can actually, we'll give you a little preview of what the community looks like, and we've actually updated the site. We've got rid of a bunch of stuff and the site is much faster. Instead of 5 to 6 second load page, it is about a 580 millisecond load on each page. So enough about that. You're going to have to come here and you're going to click Join Today and you're going to have to register manually. We do not use Facebook, G+, or Twitter registration, and the reason for that is because we don't want you to be data mined by any of those big companies. So if we were to use one of their apps that you can easily register, they're just going to do the data mining, and we know what's been going on with the big guys. And we don't data mine here, we just make you register. The only thing we do track, and it's just usage of the site, like how many times you post and stuff like that to see who's using the site. So you're going to have to go through the whole thing. You'll pick a username. It could be anything. We actually want you to use your real name because we want everybody to be friendly and on a first name basis. So we'll put in something here. It's probably not going to let me register because I already have. I'll use this email. And we'll make up a password. Please use a secure password. See, I didn't use enough characters, so it's going to tell you to use 10 characters. Now I'm going to have to remember what I put in here. And then you're going to put your password again. And then you're going to hit register. Once you hit register, it's automatically going to tell you that you're registered. You should go to your email. If you do not find it in your regular email, go to your spam or junk mail boxes and you should find the activation code. So once it goes here, you're going to go to the community. Hopefully it did it without the activation code, which it shouldn't. And hopefully I remember my password. And I have to verify my email address. Okay, now that I'm logged into my email, the first one here is for the Sci-Fi Antasy community. You'll see that. If not, like I said, check your spam and your junk mail boxes. I'll come in here, you'll get this email. It'll tell me, hello, Kenny C 9104, welcome to Sci-Fi Antasy community, and then we're going to click this to verify that I'm a user. It's going to bring you back here, hit community, and now we should be able to sign in. And now we're in. And it's going to tell you your profile is 0% complete. Fill in the missing required fields before you're able to participate in the community. So you just got to click edit, put in your name, hit save. Anything with the asterisk you're going to have to put in. Please use your real first name. If you really don't want to use your last name, you could just put your last initial, or if you're comfortable with it, if you're on Facebook, you have your last name there anyhow, so people know who you are. And we're going to make our gender, and you'll select if you're male or female, save that. Birth dates don't show up. This is just to make sure people are of age let's see, I'll pick my real 1918. I didn't even know it went back that far. Pick 1972. That's not my real birthday. And then you can put a little about you, your website, and where you're from if you want to. And I am missing, oh, I'm missing my birthday. So I hit save, saying my profile is only 57% complete. That's because I didn't do these, so you don't have to really worry about that. Now if you come to the stream, you're going to see people that are online. You're going to see your profile, which you can change your avatar and all sorts of stuff like that. But you can learn that, or if you have any questions, just contact me and I'll help you with that. Now, once you're a registered user, to get to become a member or a contestant in the contest, what you're going to do is you're going to come to groups. You're going to click on that. We just added group categories. This way it's easier to find stuff in the groups instead of trying to search through all the groups. And you're just going to look down and you're going to find Model of the Year. Click on Model of the Year. This MOTY 2019 figures, this is where you're going to put your completed build for the judges to see. Model of the Year 2019, this is what you're going to click into to see the rules. So the rules are always going to be pinned at the top. You're going to have all the rules here. Click the read more, and then you can read all the rules that are part of the contest. And if you want to join, you just click the join button and you will be a part of the MOTY group. You could also click it even if you're not going to be in the contest to see who's entering and see what they're entering. You can invite people. I can check the members and follow and be notified. You can click this if you want emails or not. And then you'll see all the scales for 2019. If there's something missing here, let me know. And then you'll have the 2020 build contest. And then once we hit the end of this contest, we'll put out the 2021. This is the main trophy. That is a big guy. That's another picture of the last winner of the MOTY trophy, Mark Dunmore, and that's his build with the trophy, which is pretty cool. And these will be the second place winners glass plaques, and there's a third place which is a little smaller than this, but that's what I was saying. They're all engraved with your build, what year, what place. So it takes a little while for me to get these to you. Okay, once you're registered and you looked everything over and you checked everything out, just come back to the top of the page, click stream, and you're going to be able to post. Now your post is going to fall underneath the rules because we want to keep the rules pinned at the top. So you're going to say, I'm doing a 1/9 scale Grim Reaper, and then you'll post a picture with your phone or something that proves that it's the date or it's a new model. You could actually put the model up in front of this screen if you want to and take a picture of the unstarted kit with the MOTY 2019 in the background. And then what you're going to do is you click here. You can click in here, and then I'm just going to toss this picture up now. Toss the picture up, hit post, and the post is going to come up with your picture. And it's as simple as that to register for the contest. Now when you're done with your build, you're going to go back to groups. It's going to bring you the categories again. Just wait for it to pop up. And you're going to go back into the model of the year. You're going to pick figures. I'm going to join this one. So once you have joined the model of the year 2019 figures, this group is for your finished build. When you come in here, you're just going to click on photos. It's going to bring you to the next page. You're going to see photos. This will be all the photos, and this will be the albums. But I want you to create a new album. So you're going to hit create album. You're going to add the name. What I want you to put is MOTY 2019, and then I want you to put what your build is. And if it's the Grim Reaper or whatever you're building, put that in. You don't have to put the location. You could put a little description. This is my entry for the MOTY 2019 figure contest. Whatever you want. And then you're going to click upload, and you'll grab whatever pictures you want to throw in there. And you can grab as many as you want. We're hoping that you post 5. You have to post at least 5 pictures, but more is better. This way the judges can see what you have going on and make sure they're really clear and good pictures, because this is a photo contest. You don't want to give blurry pictures or too far away pictures, because the judges won't be able to see what you did. So once they're all up here, you can actually grab and select where you want them to be. If something's out of order, you can move them all around, and then you're just going to hit create album. It's going to create the album, and here's all the pictures in the album. And then you can actually go back to photos. It'll show everybody's photos individually, but what the judges are going to be looking at is albums, and we're going to go album to album, and it'll show this right here, MOTY 2019 Grim Reaper, and we'll check that out. So it's that simple. You just come to the community, register, groups. The first group you want to go to is the MOTY 19, and the second group you want to do is the MOTY 2019 figures for when you're done with your build. So that's it, nice and simple. Just come to the site, register, then join both groups. Join the regular one first, that's just MOTY 19, and put up your picture of your build with, you could put the MOTY symbol back there or something with the date, and then go join the other one. This way you could post your finished builds over there. I forgot to mention, in the first group where you're posting the picture to prove that you're just starting the model, if you want to keep updates over there, you can start an album with your MOTY 2019 Grim Reaper and have it named Update Album, and you can show us your progress until you get to the finished part, and then throw the finished ones over there. If you have any questions or comments, or you need help with anything on the site, do not hesitate to email me. Please email me at hobbylinkinternational@gmail.com. I get the notification about those on my phone right away, and you can ask anybody. I get back to you pretty darn quick, unless I'm sleeping. Even when I'm at work, I'd rather answer your question than have to do what I'm doing. So again, I'm very excited MOTY is back. I hope you're excited too. I hope to see a lot of figures, and have a great competition over the next year, actually over the next few years, and hopefully a lot of years to come, because I love putting on the contest and I love seeing you guys work. Again, don't hesitate to drop a comment or a question in the comment section below. I will get back to you as quickly as possible. Have a great night, everybody. I think this is the last video. I may have one more video coming up tonight, and that's for the guys on Sci-Fi Fantasy and anybody joining. It's about classified ads. So I hope you have a great night, everybody, and I'll talk to you later. Take care, and bye-bye.